two, three. What the hell? I dapat yang sama. Oh my god, I'm gonna be pissed. I'm gonna be pissed. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm not in the forest somewhere. I'm at TRX park, if you can see. So I went to Port Mart just now, and I come here and I decided to do a quick unboxing video for you guys. So I ke Port Mart tadi. Without further ado, jom kita tengok apa yang I beli. Oh my god, there's persons there. I don't want people to see me talking to myself like a crazy person. Tak lah. So I beli ni lima, and I beli dua. This is another one. Kita buka yang ni dulu lah. Please go away. Go away. Go. Go. Dia dekat bawah lagi, ya Allah. Go away, please. Go away. I wanna do a video. Okay, they already left. There's no one here. So I beli yang ni, this one. So this one I dah ada satu dah. Hari tu I dapat yang ni, which is I don't like. So I wish that I dapat the corn one, or I really want the tempura. I really want the tempura. So tadi I pick the most lightweight. You know, tempura kan dia macam ringan kan. So I pick the lightweight. So wish me luck. Hopefully I got the one that I want. If I don't get what I want, I'm gonna be pissed. So let's do unboxing. I'm going to close my eyes. Yeah. So ini dia, letak kat dalam tu. Oh my god, I can feel it. This is not tempura. No, this is not tempura. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. What the hell? I dapat yang sama. Oh my god, I'm gonna be pissed. I dapat yang sama, guys. Hari tu I beli dapat yang ni juga. Oh my god. This is failure. This is really fail. There's someone. What the heck? So now we're going to continue to another one, which is demo. Kita buka terus And the demo ni I tak nak Daisy. I don't want this one, and I don't want the mini. Everything else is okay. I tak nak mini, I tak nak Daisy. So you ready, guys? I'm going to close my eyes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There is card inside the box. I want to see first which one that I've got. Oh, okay. Ready, guys? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This one is not mini, or I don't know. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god! Got the one that I wanted. Oh my god! Thanks God. Yes. So I've got. Oops. This is a card. Dapat Pluto. Oh my god! Thanks God. This is so cute in person, guys. The eyes can't move, I think. So this is him. So cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. I hampir beli dekat reseller, you all. Nasib baiklah I dapat yang ni. So this is my second doll, which is I love it. And this one is the first one, which is I already have it. damn it. So this is Pluto in close up. Oh my god, this is so cute, guys. Cute gila. The eyes looking at the side. The head is so fluffy, and the Pluto words on the shirt. And this is the back. And this is the chain. Oh, so cute. Love it. So I guess that's it for today. Bye. So guys, because this is a double, which is I have already, I don't want this. So if you need this, I want to sell it. I nak jual. So kalau you nak, you berminat, please DM me. So I akan jual ni. Okay, RM85. Right? Ni baru ya, baru je buka. So I tak nak. So let me know if you want it. Just PM me. Bye.